Give it to me like.
Welcome to Trading with Faye. Let's find the easy money today. Today on March 1st of 2022, I alerted in the Discord the USDCAD play. Let's get that pulled up. All right, so I alerted this roughly about 7:45 a.m. All right. Now, just to give you a little bit about myself, I am a forecaster in the market. What I do is calculate the averages and I put out the plays every morning in the Discord. I do give out free alerts every day, so don't forget to join the Discord in the link down below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Um, and so, um, now just to give you a little bit on how I alert these plays. These plays for Forex lovers, I alert Forex lovers between the hours of 7:30 Central Time to 8:30 Central Time. And I alert for the stock market. I alert those plays between the hours of 8 o'clock to 8:30 Central Time. Okay, so let's get right on over to the chart. All right, so right here I have alerted the sell limits for 126 and 799. So typically what I'll do is with a stop loss of 810. My stop losses are pretty tight, but of course you can adjust to your risk management. Okay. I am pretty cheap and I am small account friendly. So I keep those stop losses roughly about 20 pips. All right. And let's see here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to view this in Hakanashi form because when I am typically giving out these alerts, I am a momentum trader, so I am using Hakanashi candles. I want to see the meat of the move. I don't want to see any fluffs with the candles, the candlestick patterns. Okay, so for the replay, where we can replay the entry, where this play was alerted. Sadly, I have to use candlesticks. But however, I am going to explain this same move on Hakanashi, but we're going to use the 10-minute where I can show you exactly where the move is. Okay. All right. So you got this play roughly about 7:45. So here you're wondering, this stock is going up. Why is she saying that this is going down to 7.99? And not only that, she's saying that it's going to 126,657. Well, I'll tell you why. So when you go over here to your 10-minute chart, you see how these candles are constantly rejecting the same level. All right. So that means that there is going to be an additional push before it goes up. Now, anytime when you're looking at Hakanashi candles, you're looking at that wick versus body ratio. So you got this play roughly around 7:45 a.m. So you're watching for that entry. Typically what I would do is set up an alert for that 7.99 entry. As you see, I already have my lines already up here for this morning. Okay. And yes, I did play that reversal. It was beautiful. But right here, if we go to the 10-minute, we're going to see that right here you have a ton of rejection. It went all the way up to 941. All right. So here you have a candle that has a lot of wick versus body ratio. So right here, this is an indication that you need to be watching this chart because of that heavy rejection on that play, on that candle, okay? So, and we're going to be looking for our initial alert. Our alert is saying 7.99, so we need to be keeping our eyes towards that 7.99. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna flip to the 5-minute chart. I already have this marked out for video purposes um, of this place. So we're gonna go all the way back to this morning. So let's go all the way back to this morning, and you can see the same play right here. So you saw it on the 10-minute, now you see it on the 5. So on the 5, I always teach you guys to enter in on your MACD confirmations with an overextended momentum. Okay, this is your momentum right here, this is your MACD. All right, so in here, we see basically that same wick versus body ratio. You see that there was a lot of rejection in here. So yes, have those eyes ready and geared and glued to that chart for when you get ready to enter. All right, so right here, roughly, I had you to enter roughly about here, which is the second confirmation of that rejection. Yes, that wick right in there. So you will wait until you see no wick, or you can just wait until you see that bear tag. Now, you do get this indicator when you do join my group. It was made by me. It's just like me holding your hand. Um, so this makes your trading experience a lot easier and also help you understand my madness is a method to my madness, as I always say. All right. So you have right here. So 7.99 you got in here. Boom. You're in this trade now. All right. So while you're in this trade, you're already flushing through your take profits. So your first take profit was, let's see here, we're going to bring that up here again. Let's see here. Your first take profit was 126,765. Your next take profit is 126,743. Your third take profit is 126,695, and your fourth take profit is 126,657. So altogether, this is roughly about 142 total that I am pretty much just giving you the easy money. So all you have to do is basically be there to play it. Typically, these plays are rinse and repeat, but just due to the volatile market, just make sure that you are taking your profits. Okay. All right. So on this trade, I made roughly about $473 on this trade. I played a $4 lot, and I locked profit at each one of the take profit levels. All right. So here we have, give me a second. So let's go back here. So we're in here, and just due to the strength, like say for instance, you don't have to play a $4 lot. You can play a dollar lot, which is typically geared for those small accounts. You can play less than that actually. The reason why I do break it up into 4 take profits, it is because I am playing that $4 lot. So I'm locking $1 of that downsizing from that dollar lot 4 times, basically. All right. So as you see here, these were your take profits. Okay. So this is all the way down to your take profit 4. So your take profit 4, um, it hit that area multiple times before, um, actually, of course, flushing to the downside. The reason why it typically flushes is because I'm alerting this on your 30 minute, and once that 30 minute level breaks, then you get an additional 30 to 50 pips after that move. But what I do is get you in safe, exit you safe. So you don't have to worry about a reversal randomly coming out of nowhere because you are already out before the reversal happens. All right. And so you got this bear tag right here. So that lets you know that this is a confirmation of that alert that I just gave you. All right. These tags will populate on the indicator that I give you once you join the group. When the bear tag pops up, it will indicate a strong bear trend that is forthcoming. In the same way with the bull tag, it will let you know that there is a strong bull trend that is forthcoming. These are, it tells you the future before it even happens, which is awesome because that's what I do. I put myself in a bot. All right. So now let's get back to the trade. So what I did was this is on regular candlesticks, so this will look a tad different than Hakanashi because Hakanashi shows you the full trend. Yes. So, and this is candlesticks, but it still has my bot on it, so my bot still works on regular candlesticks. All right. So we're going to push play on this. And so right in here. So yes, again, we're going to pause this. All right. So yes, we see here where it uptake. Now this is roughly about 7. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning. All right. And so again, you're like, this play is over with. It's over the levels, things like that. No, it's not. Because you have some rejection and some weakened momentum right in here. All right. So you're just waiting for that opportunity to snipe, basically. All right. So what you're going to do, you're going to wait until this momentum dies. I always teach the people in my group to enter on the 5 minute, exit on the 3. All right. And so right here, you're going to wait until your MACD. Typically, you can really just wait until the bear tag comes up. You're looking for a bear play. You're going to wait for the bear tag to pop up. All right. So we are going to press play. All right. So you see how it's still going up there? All right. And then here you see where that confirmation comes in. There's that bear tag. All right. And then we're going to push pause right in here. All right. So that bear tag, let's see here. You would have gotten in roughly about here at $7.99. All right. So right in here, you got that added confirmation of that bear tag. So now you get to ride the full move down. Okay. So as you see, within less than 15 minutes, you're already at take profit 4. You get to basically go on your merry day. You made a quick, if you're on a small account, a quick $142. Or if you're playing lot sizes like myself, $4, you made a quick 500, almost close to $500, and you get to go about your day. And or you can just sit here and wait for the play to rinse, because typically these plays do rinse and repeat all throughout the day, because I am giving you the average of the mid movement. Now, however, when those levels break, basically those are confirmation of trends, but we can get to talking about reversals and how when levels break, how to play them and things like that in other videos. I'll try to come out with another video to explain just complete reversals from the things that I learned. All right. And so always keep in mind, when I am alerting these plays, I am getting you in safely, getting you out safely. All right. So, why try to get more where you can just get it the easy way? Because every time when you add that greed factor in, you're more than likely can get a reversal. And especially in the market that we have right now, we want to make sure that we're in and out as quick as possible, because the market is very volatile, especially with the current conditions that we have right now. But if you do have any questions, please feel free to either comment down below or join the Discord, and you can ask those questions. Like, say, for instance, if you wanted to play this play for those extra 30 to 50 pips, these always have a part 2 up. You can play that as long as you're risk managing properly. You'll be completely fine. So if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the Discord. Bye.